Baphuthunyiswe esibhedlela esiseduze abalimele engozini ebandakanya izimoto ezibalelwe 36 emgwaqeni u-M41 eMhlanga enyakatho yeTheku. Esinye sezisulu zale ngozi sithe kuqhamukile olingemumva lashayisa izimoto.
A truck just came in from the back, just rushing through and plowed through the cars, and I managed to see it go over. Yeah.
Abosizo lokuqala esigamekweni bathe umshayeli weloli uthenya uzame ngibelethe njengoba bengambonanga nangokhalo.
There's been multiple vehicles with multiple patients, but all have been accounted for so far. We're thankful that there haven't been any fatalities reported.
Okhulumela amaphoyisa eThekwini uthe zibalelwe 36 izimoto ezibandakanyeke kule ngozi.
Currently, the number that we can confirm is plus or minus 36 vehicles that are involved in this accident. The cause of the accident is one truck that is responsible. Unfortunately, the driver fled away. The truck is down on the bush there. 16 people injured. One was uplifted by air. So far, that's the situation we can confirm.
Uphinde wathi ukubaleka komshayeli weloli emva kwalesi sigameko kuyicala nakho.
That's correct. According to the information I've received, the driver is nowhere to be found. The driver of the truck is nowhere to be found. He fled the scene, of which that is a crime its own.
Uzungu uthe lusaqhubeka uphenyo mayelana nale ngozi. Silindo kuhle ngidi eindabeni ze SABC.